Want to automatically send birthday wishes and offers to your customers? In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up a birthday flow in Klaviyo. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Start by going to your Klaviyo dashboard and opening the Flows section. Click Create Flow, then search for Happy Birthday. Select the ready-made Happy Birthday template. Next, set the trigger so the flow activates on each customer's birthday. Add tags to stay organized, then hit Use Template. Inside the flow editor, customize the email or SMS. Add your brand style, a personal message, or even a special discount to make it memorable. Once you're done, click Review and turn on to activate it. And don't forget to save. That's it. You now have a birthday flow running in Klaviyo, making every customer feel special and boosting brand loyalty. Like and subscribe for more quick Klaviyo tips.